Other news we're following tonight at 11, a proposed bill in the Florida legislature would make it illegal for people to sleep in public spaces without a permit. Republican Representative for Clay County, Sam Garrison, is sponsoring this law. And our Cheyenne Cole is on your side tonight. She spoke with the CEO of Changing Homelessness, a local organization that works to keep a roof over people's heads. She joins us live in the studio now in Cheyenne. She spoke with legislators, the CEO, she spoke with legislators this week about it.
That's right, Anthony. Dawn Gilman made the trip to Tallahassee and actually thanked lawmakers for taking the first steps to address unsheltered homelessness in the state. She says the biggest reason the number of unhoused people is rising is because housing costs have increased more than incomes. House Bill 1365, co-sponsored by Clay County Representative Sam Garrison, would prohibit people from sleeping or camping in public places without a permit. On Monday, Dawn Gilman, the CEO of the First Coast nonprofit Changing Homelessness, spoke before a Senate committee on the proposed legislation.
No one in our state should sleep on the sidewalk, under a highway, or in the woods.
In 2023, the organization's annual point-in-time count found there are over 1,200 unsheltered people living in the Jacksonville area. The bill would also authorize counties and cities to designate public property for sleeping and camping. That includes requirements for the space like access to restrooms, running water, and mental health treatment resources.
The cost that I found was for something with that kind of encampment, just tents, not any physical structures, was around $2,600 per month per tent. So a 50 tent encampment would cost a municipality around $1.3 million.
Regardless of cost, Gilman says to solve a complex problem like homelessness, there needs to be a clear goal, informed decision makers, and dedicated resources.
This bill could create those conditions if it created provisions where local sheriffs or police, city county officials can work with their lead agencies to enact encampment abatement strategies. Direct funding to move more persons from encampments into permanent housing.
If passed, the law would go into effect in October. In studio, Cheyenne Cole, First Coast News, on your side.